the ground in Georgetown has been poisoned for years. So there are a lot of old factories in the area that haven't been resold to developers, I think because of the poisoned groundwater. So instead they're rented to our welders and our fire dancers and glass blowers. So if you're looking for any kind of metal work or go to Georgetown, you might find yourself on an unpaved street full of warehouses and dogs drinking whiskey. You might find yourself with a new crowd of friends while you watch a stranger play tetherball, except the ball is on fire. So they have to hit it with a racket, which is now also on fire. You might find yourself looking at other shit people have made with fire. And you might look down and find yourself realizing that the seat you're sitting in used to be part of a car. But you find yourself surrounded by people who can create or destroy a car with their bare hands now. Their bare hands and their love of fire. There's always a lot of fire in Georgetown. Georgetown, it starts at the Trailer Park Mall. It can end anywhere. But probably at a welding party.